Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have the car completely apart. I spent the week checking all the bearings, making sure it's good to put the car back together and send it again. So the only things that were broken, the drive shaft ceramic bearing and the outer front input shaft bearing got destroyed. Apparently when the shaft came out, probably it came out with a lot of force, destroyed the bearing, hit the chassis there. But the chassis is nice and straight, so the chassis survived and so did most other parts. So let's start putting the car together and see how far we can get on this take. We got the front, center and rear built. We installed the motor. We need to figure out what we're gonna do with the servo, and then I'm gonna figure out ESC batteries. We're gonna plan for part 2. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.